Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Are you getting charged for subscriptions you don't even use on your FireStick? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to cancel subscriptions on your FireStick step by step, quick and easy. Why this matters: many users subscribe to apps like Netflix, Prime Video, or other services directly through Amazon, and forget about them. These subscriptions auto-renew every month, costing you money. Step 1: Go to Amazon account. First, grab your phone or computer. Open your browser. Go to Amazon website. Log in with the same account used on your FireStick. Step 2: Open memberships and subscriptions. Now let's find your active subscriptions. Hover over accounts and lists. Click on memberships and subscriptions. Step 3: Select subscription to cancel. Choose the subscription you want to cancel. Click on the subscription. Select manage subscription. Click cancel subscription. Amazon may ask you to confirm. Just follow the prompts. Step 4: Confirm cancellation. Finally, confirm your cancellation. Once done, you'll still have access until the billing cycle ends, but you won't be charged again. Conclusion: and that's it, you've successfully canceled your FireStick subscriptions. If this video helped you, like, comment, subscribe for more FireStick tips and tricks. Watch next: how to fix FireStick buffering issues.